DIYers, hey, what's going on? Mike Boars with the Mike Boars channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I want to reference the 3.0 liter Mercruiser or GM inboard engine in our speedboat. I want to focus specifically on the Harmonic balancer pulley. It's the original from 1989. It's pretty worn out and unfortunately, it has begun to wobble. Let's take a look. And the boat has been running great, no doubt. We've been running it hard, and just a few days ago I noticed that the Harmonic balancer is beginning to wobble. Hey, it's the original from 1989. So I'm going to hop inside the boat, start the engine, and I want to show you the Harmonic balancer wobbling and alternator belt in action. Inside the boat now, and in front of us is our GM 3.0 liter 140 horsepower inboard engine. And it probably looks very similar to yours, however, coming to the front. And we've got a few pulleys. The large glossy pulley right there connects onto the water pump just to the left, feeding into that large hose. To the right is the alternator pulley and alternator. And our serpentine belt is still intact, not broken or snapped. However, coming down, there is our Harmonic balancer that secures to the crank and hub. And DIYers, all three of these are from 1989. So really, they don't owe us anything. We've replaced the serpentine or alternator belt a few times over the decades, but none of the pulleys or alternator. Coming over and down below the water pump and water hose, and again, there is the pulley right inside there, as you see. And it's got some rust and age to it. However, the first thing I always like to check is the alignment between the top pulley here and the Harmonic balance pulley here. And if they are offset in any way, that's going to destroy your belt. That is not what you want. However, fortunately for us, they are very well aligned. The internal rubber portion of the balancer has failed, and again, it's wobbling. Making our way port side and coming down. There's some rust inside there, as you see. Harmonic balancer. Take a step back and I'm going to shut the engine down. And again, DIYers, we did not rev the engine up much. And you saw the wobble. That needs to be addressed. That needs to be fixed. And scrolling above right now, as well as down below in the comment and description, will be a link on properly and carefully removing that Harmonic balancer and installing a brand new OEM GM Harmonic balancer. To the boat launch I go.